All right, so the poles, the poles that hold it up are thinner, and they're stored inside in this plastic wrap. So you have to take each one out, unwrap this, and they'll be the poles that basically hold up the pool like that, and are the stands.
Horizontal poles.
So yeah,
these are the two shorter sides. You can tell this only has one hole and a fat end.
And then we have
2 fat ends and 1 hole.
Yeah, and then we got the poles that hold the pool up, and these are ones that go around that are the frame. And then you'll fit the plastic pieces into the holes for the stands.
The middle pieces for the long sides have 2 holes, and the end pieces all only have 1 hole right here. So they all fit together so that the holes line up. There, we got the 2 longer poles and the 2 shorter poles.
You have 2 options. You can have like a pump, cleaning pump for it, or you can just plug them in. It does come with these plugs if you don't want to hook up a pump to the pool. But we're going to hook up a pump because we found with our pools, we shock it and we can pretty much save the same water for the whole summer if we just have a pump to filter out and keep it clean. We've gone with this INTEX cartridge filter pump. It had better reviews on Amazon than some of the other pumps, so we're going to give this one a try. Is it cold?
Yes.
And then you can go in.
I don't want
Ooh, it's not cold now. Oh wow, I can float in it. So I got the pump hooked up. It's going there full blast. And this pump worked out pretty good. It's got the intake and outtake going in there, and it's humming away there, cleaning the water. Was pretty easy to set up. I've never set up one of these before, but this was quite straightforward. Intake goes to the top. So yeah, so the intake line goes to the top of this pump, and then the outtake, the pumping end, goes out through this hose here back into the water, and you can see it spraying in the water there, cleaning it. Got a few boats floating around in here. Kids have to have their little tikes step 2 slide for going into the pool. Another thing I found that it's harder to find is finding a ladder for like a small child, like to be able to get in and out easily. Like there's obviously the big pool ladders, but I'm kind of looking for like the size that would go for this pool. That was like a 3-foot ladder that goes up and down, so a kid can climb in and out of this. That's something that I haven't seen around anywhere.
So please hit the subscribe button for my YouTube channel and my other social media content. Also, I would like to thank my Patreons and the people who've donated through PayPal Donate with the cost of making some of these videos and buying products to review. Also, if you want to support me over on Patreon or PayPal Donate, it's a few dollars a month to help support production of my videos so that I can continue helping people with tech stuff like this. And thank you to all those out there who has supported my channel and my video work and online activity over these years by subscribing, by liking, by commenting. I really appreciate the interaction with you guys.